We got a versus battle in the R. Kelly sector. The FBI, Department of Justice, Homeland Security versus Larry and his Canaries with their rendition of "I Snitch, Bitch." Who you got? Liquor Larry is gonna sing on everybody. He gonna put cases on all these niggas. And they're gonna do their rendition of "I'm a snitch, bitch" right back at him. So it'll be interesting. Everybody's getting in on it. Everybody's talking. Everybody's snitching. Everybody's singing like a canary. So who you got? Everybody telling. I ain't never seen so many people volunteering to go talk to the feds. Is drunk enough, stupid enough, evil enough, criminally minded enough to think he can outthink the feds, Homeland Security, and the Department of Justice. So he gonna sing like a canary and put cases on all these niggas. And they gonna sing on him. So it's gonna be a versus battle. Who you got? Larry is gonna tell on every last one of these individuals, because they all were in bed with him, literally or figuratively. They all made deals with the devil. They all had something to do with his PPP, unemployment, credit card scam, card cracking, or just a part of his criminal enterprise, OCOV, terrorizing people on social media.